Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens again. I thought I'd share another recipe with you. This is going to be good. It's going to be pretty easy. And we're going to start with some of these power greens I've got right here. Oh yeah, this is baby spinach. Love it. And we're going to be combining this in the blender. So the first thing I like to put is my liquid. Of course, I've got a beautiful tea going on right here. In my tea, I've got a couple of orange peels. We're going to drop in a couple of dates. Here we go. Okay, banana. Do I use the overripe or the underripe? Well, that's completely up to you. Doesn't matter to me which one you use. I've got the banana here. I'm going to drop it in. I think I will use a piece of this really ripe one as well. Okay, strawberries. Gotta have some strawberries in your diet. They're good for you. I like this little strawberry tool, by the way, okay? Just pops off the tops like that. Yeah, in they go. Very fast, very simple, very good. Okay, and now, moving on here, I like to give it a quick blend. Oh yeah, looking good. Next thing we've got here, protein powder. Yeah, this is 25 grams, 50 grams. This is pure, high quality whey protein. Here we go. Looking really good. Now, you can put ice if you want to. However, I prefer to use a frosted mug, and that's what I got here, a frozen mug. Looking really good. Just pour this awesome superpower green smoothie into the mug. Yeah. What do you think of that? Wow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. I suggest you try one of these. It's really, really good. Of course, it's packed with antioxidants and all kinds of health benefits. It's good for you. And if you have access to all of these things, you should be enjoying them. Another recipe is coming soon. Keep watching. Have a beautiful day. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and your fingers. So it's pretty cool.
Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it.